Hi students, in this video we will create description key sets in Civil 3D and we will populate the description key sets. It's very important for surveyors before collecting and importing data into Civil 3D. You must need to know about description key sets for Civil 3D. It's actually bridge the gap between the field and the office. Unlike the line work code set and figure prefix database, which are each external files, description keys should be created and saved in your Civil 3D template. The description key set is a listing of field description and parameters that control how points look like and behave once they are imported into or manually created in Civil 3D. For example, a surveyor collects a point with the description FH to indicate a fire hydrant. When the file is imported into Civil 3D either through the survey database or by the point import from a text file, it will be checked against the description key set. If FH exists in the list, so then the style, format, layers and several other parameters are applied to the point and it will show us a fire hydrant symbol in our drawing. So if it's for example we have some trees and we give them in our text file as a tree code, so if it will check against the description key set of the tree, then it will show us tree in our drawing. So it's very important to know about description key set. In this drawing we will set description key set and we will populate description keys. Open your drawing 201 survey setup. If you did not create a complete previous exercise 1.2.2, then you can complete 2.2 exercise and you can download this drawing from the description of 2.2, and here I will put also this drawing in the description for 2.3 exercise number. When you will open, if you are on prospector tab, you can switch to settings tab. On the setting tab you have points, you can expand the point, and here we have description keys. When you will expand description keys, you can see we have one description keys like Civil 3D. Right click on description keys and you can create your own description keys set. For example, I can create advanced Civil 3D. You can put any description here for that. Just click OK. And now you can see here we have description key set advanced Civil 3D. It's already created but it's have not any key. Now we will populate the key sets. Edit key, right click and press on edit key. You have one here. The first one I want to create for B. It can be any code according to your field data. Check your style, and when you will click here it will show you which style you want to show against this point. So you can select elevation marker. I will put as a style, and for point label I will select elevation only. Format leave as it is. For layer you can select here V node topo. Okay, now one key has been set for BB. When we will import any point against the BB code, it will show elevation marker style, and for the label it will show only elevation for these type of points. If I want to create new points, then I will right click and here I can get new, or I can click on copy. When you will click on copy, it will create any copy and you can rename here with double click. For CL, it will my center line. For example, I want to change the line work for my center line, and here for point label style I will select no display. Format, you can put format CL of rod, and here you can select your layer, P node center. So now I put format CL of rod, but it will not show in our drawing. If I want to show this code after my code, original code, then I will put here asterisk. Then it will show complete format of this. So you can also fix all of these settings according to your design criteria. You can create new one. So it with default options BLTG. It's for example building. I want to show building corners. So here you can select any point style, for example standards, and description only I want to show here. Select, and you can select a building layer for this. So when you will create all layer, then you will check here and your key set has been created. When you will import your point now, then they will get populate according to your description key sets. But in the next video we will learn how you can activate these description keys settings in Civil 3D. So stay tuned for the next